Hey guys, if you don't want to spend thousands of dollars buying those expensive flagship phones and want more or less the similar experience at a budget, then there is one phone which you might like and will probably cost you around $500, and that's the upcoming Oneplus Z. Oneplus themselves have confirmed the existence of this model, and as per leaks, it's going to launch sometime in the month of July. Previous rumor pointed to a Mediatek Dimensity 1000 being used, which is a flagship level processor in many ways, offering the latest ARM CPUs and machine learning silicon, but a slightly weaker GPU when compared to the Exynos 990. But in any case, it's now confirmed to use the 5G mid-range chipset from Qualcomm, that's the Snapdragon 765G. The Snapdragon 765G SoC is confirmed by this benchmark result as the processor that will be used in this phone. Now, OnePlus could have packed the overclocked version of this chipset called Snapdragon 768G, which would definitely provide a little boost in performance, but in any case, these are mid-range processors and don't give you the full power of the flagship SoCs in terms of gaming, frame rates, and also the highest refresh rate options. But in normal usage, you won't find any huge difference, which is why Google is opting to use 765G inside its Pixel 5. The details from Geekbench also include the memory of the device being benchmarked. In this case, it's 12GB of RAM. Given the current OnePlus 8 series handsets offer 8GB or 12GB of RAM, it's a good guess that this new handset will also include these two options. As for design, we already know that it's gonna have a good design with a flat punch hole display and possibly with glass sandwich design, and the rear cameras to the left of the device in a bump. But sadly, there doesn't seem to be 3.5mm headphone jack on the phone. Yes, that's disappointing. Yeah, and one more thing, it looks like there could be an alert slider as well. The display as per leak will be a 6.4-inch OLED display with full HD Plus resolution. We already know this is going to be at least 90Hz refresh rate. It will also have an in-display fingerprint sensor on board. Other apparent specs include a 4000 mAh battery and 30W charging, although no wireless charging can be expected. The device is also set to run Google's Android 10 operating system with the company's own Oxygen OS 10 on top. As for cameras, the report suggests the new phone will pack a 48 plus 16 plus 12 megapixel rear camera trio, but the OnLeaks renders only seems to show dual camera setup, so that's something we will know for sure when we get close to the launch, which as I mentioned earlier would be available in most markets by July. As for release areas, an interview with OnePlus CEO Pete Lau gave us a bit of a hint. During that interview, Lau said that a cheaper OnePlus phone will land in India first before making its way to the rest of the world. Although he didn't mention the phone by name, but we reckon it will be the OnePlus Z. So that's it for today. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.